Hello everyone, I'm your host for today. Join us as we dive into the world of Sungold Solar. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss our videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and save it. If you have any questions or ideas, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's get started. Today, we'll delve together into the brand story and market positioning of Sungold Solar. Experience the story of our shared dreams and gain a deep understanding of the features and technical advantages of our products. In addition, we'll showcase the industry certifications and test results of our products, share application cases of our products in various scenarios, and discuss how we continuously innovate and expand our product range. An enterprise committed to Sungold technology innovation since 2008, our company has always focused on providing high-performance photovoltaic modules for various harsh environments, from RVs to yachts, from outdoor adventures to camping. Our solar solutions span the globe. Now, let's delve into how Sungold Solar has won the trust of customers worldwide through innovation and quality. Brand story and market positioning. The story of Sungold Solar began in 2008 with a mission to provide reliable solar energy solutions to the world. With over 16 years of professional manufacturing experience, we have not only been at the forefront of technological innovation, but also have 16 years to export experience to United States and international markets. Our goal is clear: to become the world's leading solar company, specializing in both off-grid and on-grid systems. Additionally, Sungold's new factory in Indonesia will start production on November 20th, marking a new phase in our global expansion strategy and demonstrating our determination and confidence to become a leading global solar panel manufacturer. Sungold Solar steady steps towards a focused future. While Sungold Solar's growth journey may not be as spectacular as those unicorn companies that rise rapidly, our success comes from steady steps. We believe that long-term development requires a solid foundation, which is closely related to our corporate character. We did not seek temporary burdens, but wish to grow with our customers and expand the solar energy business together. We always put our customers' needs first. For customers, we recognized we are willing to share our experience and technology, providing the most suitable solutions rather than just meeting their immediate desires. We dare to say no, because we believe that only by considering problems from the customer's perspective can we create truly valuable cooperative relationships. Focusing on dreams. Sungold Solar insists on focusing on the solar field. We will never easily venture into other industries but continue to hone our skills and enhance our core competitiveness. Although we are not the largest company in the industry, we have a great dream to make the sky a little bluer and provide cleaner energy solutions to the world. The spirit of Sungold Solar was also vividly reflected in a chance encounter in 2012. John and his loyal partner Harry embarked on a Sichuan-Tibet journey, passing by Mount Everest in Nepal, crossing the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau, and finally returning to Suzhou. 2 years later, they started a global cycling trip, cycling through 23 countries and regions, completing a 25,000 kilometers journey. Their adventure was not only a trip, but an exploration of the world's dreams. John once wrote in a letter, "My hometown is full of mountains. Since I was a child, I have always been curious what is on the other side of the mountain. How far is the world? I just need 2 wheels to find the answer." It is this persistence and spirit of exploration that resonates with Sungold Solar. We also have a great goal, and even in front of the vast world, Sungold firmly chased its own ideals, creating a beautiful journey together. This letter touches deeply. John's story is like Sungold's brand story. We may not be great, but we have ideas and dare to pursue our dream. Therefore, we decided to help him and Harry complete their next global trip. We designed custom solar solutions for him to help solve potential energy problems during the cycling trip, reduce the burden, and let him and Harry reach the destination more smoothly. In the past 7 years, technology has developed rapidly, especially in the fields of GPRS, mobile phones, cameras, infrared equipment, lighting, and music equipment. This time, our solar panels will provide continuous energy for his journey. Compared with his solo trip 7 years ago, we believe that at this time, John's journey will be more relaxed. Sungold Solar's cooperation with John is not only about providing energy solutions, but also a concept that fits whatever is John's global dreams or Sungold vision of blue skies and white clouds. We are all pursuing a better world. On the journey, John and Harry received help from countless strangers, and this trust from strangers often starts with a smile. We believe that more smiles there are, and the bluer the sky will be. Sungold Solar is willing to go with each of you who has dreams and write our blue sky dream together. Product features and technical advantages. Our solar modules with excellent quality and reliability have passed a series of strict tests and fully comply with the IEC 1215 standard, from the insulation test to wet leakage current tests, UV pre-treatment, damp freeze test to rigorous thermal cycling, damp heat, and hail tests. Flexible modules have performed well in every test. Particularly worth mentioning is that, for example, Sungold's 4 series of modules have also passed the hotspot test, ensuring normal power output of the module in shaded environment. This means that no matter if the module is shaded or if there is bird dropping or daily surface dirt, the solar panel can provide you with continuous and reliable solar output. Of course, our module also have unique advantages in the application on RVs. For example, our SunFlex PA621 uses a special patented material sandwich design and multi-layer structure design with higher structural strength, bending strength 20 million Pascal. Its thermal conductivity coefficient is 0.2 watt per meter Kelvin, providing very strong low heat transfer performance, which greatly solves the problem of high temperature environments affecting the module's high temperature impact on the roof, thereby affecting the material's thermal expansion and contraction, cell heating crackings, power reduction, and improves the stable power output of the module. Sungold's products are not only a collection of technologies but also a commitment to safety and durability. Choosing Sungold solar panels gives you a more secure and lasting experience when exploring the infinite possibilities of solar energy. Industry certifications and test results. Our products have passed a series of strict international certifications, including TUV, UL, FCC, CE, RoHS, etc. These certifications are important signs of product safety and quality in the European and American markets. In addition, our products have also passed earthquake and hail resistance certification, as well as IEC 61701 solar spray certification, which are strict tests of products and performance in extreme environments. Our high-power series of portable solar panels have successfully obtained the SGS IEC TS 63163 International Standard certification, marking international recognition of our technological strength and quality reliability in the field of renewable energy. Product application cases. Our products are widely used in various environments, from home balconies and outdoor camping to yachts at sea. Our balcony solar panels are designed to use solar energy for home electricity generation. And our flexible PA621 series solar panels are favored for their installation, low heat transfer, and no hotspot characteristics. We also provide customers services for PV modules with specific design needs to meet the diverse solutions required by different industries or specific needs. Continuous innovation and product range. We offer a full range of high-quality solar panels, inverters, controllers, and power accessories, providing you with reliable and cost-effective mobile power solutions even in off-grid environments. We continuously optimize our product technology and expand our product range in response to user experience and market demand, offering off-grid power solutions for RV owners, camping enthusiasts, outdoor explorers, marine enthusiasts, and anyone else in off-grid environments. Customer evaluation and brand trust. We have a very high customer satisfaction rate, and our products have won the trust of customers worldwide with their excellent quality and reliability. We provide comprehensive services, including customized design and solution, to meet the unique needs of our customers. Our customer services team has over 10 years of after-sales services experience and can fully solve various problems and concerns of our customers. Sungold Solar is more than just a manufacturer of solar panels. It's a brand committed to improving our lives through innovation and quality. Choosing Sungold Solar means choosing a reliable partner that can provide you with efficient and reliable solar energy solutions. Let's look forward to more surprises and innovations from Sungold Solar in the future, as we continue to grow our commitment to our customers and our mission to make the sky bluer with every solar panel we produce remains unwavering. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll continue to share content about solar energy. Now, I want to hear your thoughts. If you want to know more about us, please tell me in the comment below. Let's chat.